park right here. It's reserved for handicap.
Gary DaCosta is adamant.
Basically, bring him back here, as you can see. Plenty of room for a wheelchair.
Anyone with a physical disability,
Once you get in, bathroom is way wide enough.
can access his business.
I haven't had anybody with a wheelchair try to come in that couldn't get it.
That's why this lawsuit has him dumbfounded.
Everything they said was just not true.
A man named Marcus Ingram filed the suit. In it, he says he is a frequent patron at Da Bomb restaurant in Lithonia and alleges the business is violating the Americans with Disabilities Act, listing infractions like inaccessible bathrooms, tables, and routes to the property for someone in a wheelchair.
You said I didn't have all this in black and white, and we have all this.
We found Marcus Ingram reported similar issues with lots of Georgia businesses. He sued Buttermilk Kitchen in 2019, Fellini's Pizza, Inc. in 2016, Big Catch in Buckhead, Del Rey Taco in Doraville, Waffle House, Subway, Arby's, and the list goes on. Court records show Ingram's filed more than 100 lawsuits alleging ADA violations, not just in Georgia, but Florida, Ohio, South Carolina, most with the same attorney, Peter Monesmith. So we gave him a call.
Pete Monesmith.
Hi, Peter. My name is Kristen Crowley.
Monesmith is based out of Pennsylvania, and he knew exactly why we were calling.
It's called Da Bomb Restaurant, and they're saying that this lawsuit that has just come down that you're representing
It's
Mr.
frivolous, yes.
Yes, right, exactly. They're calling it that. Why do you think they're calling it that?
But I think them saying that it's just a frivolous lawsuit is just their way to say that they want it dismissed and they want to have it go away and not fix anything.
He contends every business he sues is breaking the law. Court records show he's filed more than 600 ADA-related suits for roughly 25 clients. We took the issue to an ADA expert.
If you go to a place and you find they're not compliant with ADA, what's the first step you take?
I talk to the manager or the business owner.
The first step usually isn't a lawsuit.
Right.
Kim Gibson is executive director of Disability Link, a nonprofit that advocates for people with disabilities. She says the ADA is crucial in bringing equity to the disability community.
Out of 10 organizations that we've done, 9 of them are out of compliance. Having those lawsuits that aren't justifiable, that people are in compliance, that's hurtful to the cause as far as trying to have the rest of the people or businesses in compliance. That's hurtful.
You've got the same clients over and over again filing these lawsuits.
I don't think it's excessive if they go to a property and they can't gain access to it. It's a legitimate case. But if you actually look at our complaint and our expert report, there's absolutely no access to the property whatsoever because there's steps there and there's no way to get into it.
Were you aware there was a ramp to the restaurant in the back?
If there is a ramp, that is unbeknownst to me.
They're not doing this for compliance, for access. They have access already. They're doing this, it's a money grab.
And that's why attorneys general in states like Florida and Arizona have cracked down on frivolous ADA lawsuits. We reached out to Georgia's attorney general. His office said it would not get involved.
This one he got mad and walked off.
DaCosta maintains he is compliant and is fighting the lawsuit.
Could something like this put you and others out of business?
Of course.
He just hopes the cost isn't too great.